Are you worried about your privacy on WhatsApp? What if someone grabs your phone and tries to peek into your chats? Don't worry. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp with Face ID on your iPhone for maximum security in seconds. The first thing which we need to do before locking the app is to go over to your settings, then locate this General section and open it. After that, we're going to click on this Software Update option, and we'll just have to ensure that our iPhone is running the iOS 18 software update or later, because this version of iOS gives us the ability to lock apps. So this feature will work on literally any iPhone model, as long as you're running iOS 18 or later. So once we check this, let's lock the WhatsApp application. I'm going to exit the settings page, and then I'll want to long press on the WhatsApp application until this falling menu appears. Now, since we're on iOS 18, we'll get this Require Face ID option. So just tap on that option, and then the iPhone is going to ask us if we want to lock the app with Face ID, but we also have the ability to lock the app and hide it from our home screen into a separate folder, but that's for another video. For now, I'll just tap on Require Face ID, and the iPhone will lock WhatsApp, and that's essentially it. From now on, if you want to open your app and access the chats, messages, and other stuff on WhatsApp, you will have to scan your face with Face ID in order to unlock the app. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments if there's another privacy feature you'd like to see next.